learned that I could be pretty good at stuff if I just put my mind to it. If I focus and I don't give up, I feel like I can do it.
Imagine a classroom where students who once struggled suddenly discover they can succeed, where creativity becomes confidence and innovation isn't just an idea, it opens real doors. At WIZO's Beit HaKerem Secondary Vocational School, the only high school in Israel dedicated to teens with learning disabilities, that vision is becoming reality. We are dedicating a brand new classroom, the Innovation Space, a tech-powered classroom where students learn through hands-on experience using 3D printers, augmented reality, audio production tools, and more. They don't just need support, they need a new way to learn, a place where education feels relevant, empowering, and connected to the world around them. Thanks to generous donors and the partnership of Bridges for Peace Canada, this dream is coming to life. Their dedication to blessing Israel in real, practical ways is helping transform the future of these young people. We invite you to join us. Your gift today will help students learn, create, and believe in what is possible. Partner with us, invest in their potential, be a part of the story of hope, innovation, and lasting impact.